Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you turn on disappearing messages in WhatsApp. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way, so you open your Play Store or App Store and make sure the app is updated to make sure you can follow up precisely with me in this tutorial, or at least have one of the newer versions if you don't want to update right now. Now quit the store, open WhatsApp, make sure you are logged into your account, and then the first step here is to go to settings. So tap on those three dots in the top right corner and then tap on settings right here. Now the category or the option we want to open and tweak is going to be privacy. Go ahead and tap on privacy, and then as you can see it says default message timer right under disappearing messages. That's the one we want to turn on. So you can open it here. It's gonna give you some information about disappeared messages. You might find it useful if you read through these. If you don't want to read right now, just go ahead and tap on OK and then you can skip through. So I'm gonna do that, and as you can see here we have four options. You can turn it off, keep it off, that's the default option. Now if you want to turn it on and make the messages disappear in 24 hours, you have that option. It's going to be the first one. You just go ahead and tap on it and it's going to be selected. You don't even need to tap on any save button. So 90 days, 7 days, 24 hours, whatever you feel comfortable. And you even have the option to, so it says this does not affect your existing chats. So this is just the new chats that you're going to start after this one. If you want it to include even existing chats, tap by selecting them right here and select the existing chats that you want to include this option on. That will make the chats disappear in the duration that you have chosen here. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Again, you can always turn it off if you want. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching.